friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making cinnamon rolls made out of crescent rolls. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For this easy recipe, we need a can of crescent roll dough, butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and for icing, we need water and powdered sugar. So I'm going to open a can of crescent rolls. And I'll take out this dough and I'm going to roll it into one sheet. So we're not going to be making it into crescent shapes. We're actually going to make them shaped like regular cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to pinch together the seams. So I got rid of the perforations, and now the next step will be to brush it with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. So here is butter, and I already melted 1 tablespoon of butter in the microwave before making this video. And now I'm going to sprinkle it with 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So I'm just going to distribute it evenly. And next I'm going to sprinkle it with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So just sprinkle it as evenly as you can. And now let's roll it. So just roll it into a roll. And now let's cut it into 6 equal pieces. So I'm just going to pinch it together so it doesn't separate as easily. So I'm just trying to mark it so they're even. So let's cut into 6 cinnamon rolls. And now you can also flatten them a little bit. Perfect. So now the cinnamon rolls are ready for baking. And let's put it in the oven that's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So now the cinnamon rolls have been baking for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're ready. So let me take them out. Look at these cinnamon rolls. They look amazing. Looks so good. Perfect. And the final step will be to add the icing. So here's half a cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of water and mix it together, and this will be the icing. And if you want to make it a little bit thinner, you can add like another, this is probably like another half a teaspoon or so. So just thin it to desired consistency. And maybe a little more water. And now just drizzle the icing over the cinnamon rolls. Perfect. They look amazing. And now let's just wait until they cool down for about 5 minutes and I'll try them. So now they're a little cooler and I'm going to try it. I'm so excited about trying them. They look amazing. Let's try it. So I'll just show you the inside. So good. They taste amazing. Tastes as good as it looks. So full of cinnamon flavor. Perfect. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!